Good morning, everybody. Welcome back on over here to DB Adventures. I'm Dylan.
I'm Brooke.
And it is a cold morning. We've got about 10 inches of snow, probably. I think the winter snowstorm warning just ended at 11 o'clock, and it's now 11:15. We are at the Hampton Watershed Trails, and we're going to be doing a quick little hike. So, sit back and relax and let the adventures begin. All right, everybody. We are all geared up. Brooke's warm. It's cold. Snow is deep. Here's where we're at. I think we're just going to be doing this Ponds Loop right here, which is only 0.9 miles. This is the shortest trail.
Tree's cold.
Is the tree cold?
Tree's cold.
Alright, let's get after it. It's so pretty out here. What'd you found?
That's a trail.
Is that a trail?
I went down.
What do you think's nesting in
I
there?
don't know.
Brooke is down.
I feel fat with my snow gear.
You have like 7 layers on.
did it.
We did it. We did it. Yeah. Brooke did not like hiking in the snow. This is the only way she can get some traction. Pizza roll. You're supposed to say snowball.
Oh, snowball.
I got snowballs. Brain freeze. All right, everybody. That's going to do it for Pine Loops Trail here at Hampton Watershed Trails. What we didn't mention in the intro of the video is we bought all this warm Columbia gear. We're planning a trip to Colorado here in March, so we're just coming out today. It's 16 degrees and just snowed 10 inches. So what better day to test this stuff than right now?
I stayed pretty warm, except for my cheeks.
My face was cold, but I didn't have my face shield on. I used it snow tubing yesterday. So we might have found a second trail to go ahead and do while we're out today. But if it's closed, thank you all for watching, and we'll catch you next video. See ya.
Bye.
All right, everybody.
It's open.
Our second trail is open. Watauga Point. It's another little short trail. It's about 1/3 of a mile.
Is that it?
It says 0.4 on the. That's 1/3 of a mile. Yeah. So we're gonna get geared back up. We're actually probably gonna run a actual stat thing this time to know all of our elevation gain and how long it takes to hike. So sit back and relax and let another adventure begin. Woo. All right, everybody. Brooke is already down for the count, but we're all geared up this time, or again. Got my ice spikes on this time, so we should have a little bit more traction. Drop the papers in my ice spikes. Don't litter, people. Also got a little walking stick this time. We are headed back over here to the trailhead. It's a little windy over here. I think Brooke might kill me for that, but she's all bundled up.
I'm good.
She's good. There's Watauga Lake. Surprised it's not icy. It's probably the wind keeping it from being icy. Keeping the water moving. But here we are, trailhead, Watauga Point. We are probably the first people on this trail since it snowed. Maybe not. Maybe there's been people here. Maybe it was the same people from the other trail. Maybe they had the same idea as us.
Maybe.
But yeah, guys, Colorado Springs, second week of March. We're already starting to pack auto up. We're excited. We're going to be camping for a week. We got tons of great hikes, including Garden of the Gods, the Red Rocks. So March is going to be full of great videos from DB Adventures. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss an episode. Brooke would really appreciate a subscribe. There was nothing like hiking in the snow. I mean, just look how pretty this is. Can't beat these views. This is a little bit of a hidden trail. They don't have many signs pointing to it. We accidentally stumbled across this one day off All Trails. It's been one of our favorites. Crossing our first of 2 bridges. You can't even tell that's a bridge, it's covered in snow. You can just see the wood on the side. Brooke's gonna let you see it's a bridge. See? Almost a foot of snow.
Yeah.
You want to follow the blue markers? If you have the All Trails app, which I highly recommend you get, even the free version is super helpful. It maps out all the trails where it keeps you on the right path so you don't get lost. neither of us have it going. But I think we're gonna be okay. I think we'll make it back to the car. As long as we're not eaten by something. Banana tree forest. I don't know.
Snowball.
You want to go down to the beach?
Yeah.
Alright. So we're going off trail a little bit. This just leads you right down to the water. It's so pretty right over here. It's also a little creepy. We have seen a mangled up campsite before. Tent destroyed, cot destroyed.
Abandoned boat.
Yeah, there was an abandoned boat over here. There's been some freaky things on this little shoreline right here. From the car, I thought all these little tree stumps were people.
Look how pretty it is.
It's so pretty over here. We head back to the trail.
Look at him in his grandpa stick.
More blue diamonds. Keep following them. This stuff is thick. Bridge number 2 of 2. Bridge.
Oh, snow.
Huh?
Oh, snow.
Oh, snow. Blue diamond again. That's how you know you're on the right path. This is just beautiful. Picture perfect. Just like my wife. Another blue diamond. Blue diamond, I think that's number 6. We are nearing the end, guys. That is it. That is the end of Watauga Point. Right there is where we started. That is the only marking of this trail that shows there's a trail here. And then we come out right here. It's just a big circle. Here's the parking lot. I think I'm in a spot. I made a spot.
You don't really snow.
I don't really snow. Alright, everybody.
We made it.
That's actually going to do it for this video this time. 2 hikes. One day after the winter snowstorm. It was one to remember. Hiking in the snow is pretty fun. Hopefully this isn't gonna be the last video you see before we hit the road for Colorado, because it's February now. We got to do hike number 2 for the year. That was our goal. We're gonna do 12 new hikes. Last month was Margaret Falls. This month I think is gonna be Watauga Dam Trail. It's about a 5-mile hike, but it looks super worth it. We're gonna have great snacks for that hike. So hopefully we'll catch you all for that video. If not, I hope you're excited for the Colorado trip as much as we are. And we hope you all stay warm and safe, and we'll catch you in the next video. Bye.
Bye.